that was the condition. Finally finished, sir. That was the condition that was requested and imposed before any action can be taken. That copy was provided earlier, and that copy, a hard copy, will have to be provided to you, sir, as requested. To whom was it sent?
Because my client is actually insisting for a copy because still now.
You can send you a copy now, sir. That is all right.
Well, we have almost 2 hours. At saka, ang basis sa pagbawasan ng batas, saan ba? Anong batas? Batas ng Pilipinas o batas na ini-implement na withdraw na tayo 2 years ago? Hindi mo ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are implementing the warrant for arrest is being implemented now is by virtue of warrant for arrest issued by the ICC as contained in the red notice list, sir. But in the process of implementing the warrant of arrest and informing the President of his rights, we are applying the laws of the Philippines because it is within Philippine jurisdiction.
But we're still implementing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A law which is being implemented by a foreign entity. What by an agency? Wherein we have already withdrawn.
Yes, sir. My committee, sir, we have to assist also.
So, thank you, sir. Thank you. And we still want to be clear on yung rights na pinasolution. Salamat po. Kung rights ba ng state, o rights ba ng Pilipino, o rights ba ng whatever rights.
Those are the Miranda rights, sir, under our laws. That was led by Brigadier General Nicole, sir.
Has the Miranda rights been adopted by the Convention?
It doesn't necessarily have to be, sir.
Hindi ko masyado ito, sir. Relax lang tayo, kaibigan tayo.
Yes, sir.
Pero kung pagkatapos ito, kita rin tayo ng gawa ng parang. Whether I'm in jail or somewhere else, we will eventually see together. So let us not rabbit. Anong gusto lang malaman? Kasi siyempre, I am a Filipino citizen. Galing ko lang sa labas, bakasyon. At ito ang nangyari sa akin. So, ang first is, what is the basis for my arrest? If I am being arrested now for detention, and the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
Can you allow for answer, Mr. Former President, sir?
Yes, sir.
Based on the warrant of arrest, Mr. President, the warrant of arrest is issued pursuant to Article 25, 3, subsection A, the statute for the crimes against humanity and murder pursuant to Article 7, paragraph 1, subsection A of the same statute, committed in the Republic of the Philippines with the relevant period. That is the one we mentioned, Mr. President, in the warrant of arrest.
Ano man, simple yung
Yes, sir.
we want to exercise our option. Hindi yung may preference dito, ang yung tanggap na dito.
Show us the basis for the, restriction of freedom.
Anong kasalanan ko?
Hindi! Huwag mo sa tayo bata. Hindi! Sa tayo, sunod.
Akin na yung anak ko!
Huwag yung...
Akin na yung anak ko! Akin na, halika yung anak ko.
Don't do it personal.
Ito, akin na lang,